Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here in Las Vegas. So today is a walking sights and sounds video. Last time people requested more of these videos, so I'm gonna do one walking from Mandalay Bay to the Vegas sign. So we're gonna just see, it's gonna be very quiet, not much going on down here. It's a quiet side of the strip. So I'm starting outside the valet. So outside of the entrance of Mandalay Bay, you just go down this hill. It's a very small sidewalk. Enjoy the view of the palm trees. And we're gonna see how long it takes to walk there. So this will be non-cut video walking to Mandalay Bay. I mean the Vegas sign from Mandalay Bay. The time right now is 11:30 a.m. so that gives you an idea of what it looks like at this time. Let me know if you like these videos when I talk a little bit, or do you want to just hear the full sights and sounds? Let me know what you guys think. It's actually a little further than you would think it is. It's not that close. You would think if you're coming to Vegas the first time, you would think the sign would be closer to the strip, but it's actually not. So keep watching and you'll see exactly where to go. We got the Deuce bus right there. If you ever want to go on the Deuce, it will stop at the Vegas sign. You can get a pass, a 1, 2, or 3 day pass on the Deuce. Got a McDonald's right across the street if you're hungry on the way to the sign. Four Seasons Hotel. What's that? Panda Express is over there. We got a Subway. This is down Las Vegas Boulevard. McCarran Airport is just over there, not too far. It's getting pretty hot outside right now. What is 23? 23 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. I don't know the conversion.
70?
Is it?
75? Something like that.
Okay, maybe I'll cut this video at the stoplight and then continue. And we're back walking. So right here on the side, that's the express bus. It doesn't stop as much as the Deuce. So if you're going downtown, something like that, you might want to take that instead. Less stops. It's not as an exciting walk as the strip is. But I know some people are curious how this walk is, so that's what this is. That's the big bus tour. I've never been on that before. You will see some tourists walking down here to the sign, but usually it's pretty empty, just like this. I've never actually timed how long this walk will be, so this video is actually interesting for me too. We're at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center over here on the right side. It's a really big convention center. probably should get like what is it called? A handheld gimbal thing for this kind of video. So it's not so bouncy. But this is what we have right now. So we're almost there. We got the first set of lights, or second set of lights actually, and then I think there is a crosswalk to the sign, which they added a few years ago, which is a great thing. It's quiet out here. Not much to look at right here. We just got some more palm trees along the sidewalk. And once again, let me know if you like my commentary. I'm trying something different for this video. Do you want commentary or do you want just strictly sights and sounds? I think that is better for the strip, not necessarily right here, because there's not much going on, like I said many times. It's getting hot now though. It's getting pretty hot. We're almost there.
I see it from here.
Yeah, you can start to see it. You got some
steps in.
Yep. There's some airplanes you can see.
I can't believe how many flights take off. It seems like
It's like less than every 5 minutes there's a plane going up, it looks like. People are flying in to lose their money. Or flying in to make walking videos. Either one, we all come to Vegas for some reason. It has something for everyone. And we got a little mini sign that says, "Welcome to Las Vegas" sign with an arrow. So we just follow this arrow. It's a very easy walk. We got another light, so I'm just gonna stop it and then come back once the light changes. Okay, and we're back to walking. So we're gonna continue here, across the street. As you'll notice in Vegas, there's no grass over here, it's just some rocks, because keep in mind we are in the desert. We got palm trees. I love palm trees.
They're different from palm trees though in Florida.
Yeah, different
They're
kinds.
Shorter, yeah.
Different kinds. Are those trees even real? Is the question. How do they live in the desert? I don't know. Another sign saying "Welcome to Las Vegas" sign. A sign for the sign. To tell you how to get to the sign. Few more minutes, I think we should be at the Las Vegas sign. I wish I knew some like Vegas facts for you. People lose their money, fact. I don't know, some history or something. When was this, when did it, I wonder when they put this in. How long, I forgot. I don't know, I should probably Google that.
Vegas sign?
Yeah, what year was it in?
There's some really old pictures with it. Oh wait, what I was seeing is not the Vegas sign. It says drive carefully.
That is, that's the back of it.
Oh, okay. So then I did see her. Oh yeah, there's a picture there.
Yeah. So we're gonna continue walking here.
And then they have the Las Vegas Harley Davidson
Huh?
letters.
Oh yeah, that's a cool sign too. We'll show them that.
Another plane.
A lot of planes going.
What is that? American Airlines?
This is where the Maverick helicopters go. Right over there's one landing. They do this tours of the Grand Canyon and the Strip. See them landing right now. Golf club on the right side over
The
here.
lineup is for them to take their picture, right?
Yeah. We'll talk about that too in a second. So if you look over here on the left, the Harley Davidson store over here, they also have a pretty cool sign. If you want to take a picture in front of that, it says Las Vegas over there. I think that's a really cool sign also. Maybe we'll go over there
Little
after.
mini palm tree things.
Are these palm trees, are they going to grow to be big palm trees? Or are they different plants? I don't know. Another sign to the sign.
Fire department.
Fire department here. So there's a sign over there. You want to walk over there too? Go over here. We're almost there. We're so close now. There's a better view of it. So since I cut up this video, I don't know the exact time of this walk. I should have timed it. That was the whole point of this video. I guess we'll get a really good idea of it when I put it together.
Like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, I think it's about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 for sure. We'll see at the end of this video anyway. So the back of the sign says, drive carefully, come back soon. You know I will. So to cross, wow, it's actually pretty busy right now. It's interesting. So this is the pedestrian crossing. Oh, it is a Sunday, yes. Okay. There's the sign. Okay. We're gonna cross over at the thing, and then I will end this video and continue the vlog. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you've been here for a while, thank you for watching. So we're gonna get a shot over here. So we got more trees. Ha! I'm just kidding. We got the sign right there. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know how I did on this walking commentary video. Vegas sign. I just want to give you guys some tips here. You see this line for the sign? You actually don't have to wait in this line. If you want a picture from someone, the guy up here, he's getting tips. You don't have to wait. You can just come to the side and take your own picture. So yeah, this is the Las Vegas sign. There you go.